took off.
Did it?
Yeah. Yeah, it just took off. A little grass here, eh? Yeah.
A lot of it, maybe even on front of it.
Oh, there's a fish. Spin dog. Smashed it. Yeah, it is. Black. Black almost. Wants to play. Oh, the play date's over.
Good work, good work.
The play date is over.
Dark one. Good work, dude. Here you go.
Yeah.
We've seen a couple fish back on top.
Love it. First one. Small jaw. On the spinner. Casting the weed line with the little double-bladed spinner bait there. Caught that little guy. All right, let's get some more. Yoo-hoo!
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks, see you, buddy.
Is it moving or is it just sitting there?
No, that's a big fish.
I know, but if it's, I can't seem to. It like we seem to.
I just tried to get off, stay off. That's why I look like he's moving, but he's got a bud there.
Yeah. Black matuka. Oh. He's beautiful.
Spawned out. It's a long fish now.
Oh, I choked it. Come on.
Good work, Scott.
Thanks.
That fish was so dark, I've never seen it.
It was dark. It is dark, isn't it? Ned. Big time dark. That's a nice one, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Beautiful. Beauty. See ya. Back to the depths. Uh-oh. Somebody's got a hook a fish. Somebody's got a hook a fish. Somebody. Oh, he's on you. Oh, he didn't like it. This is it. He moved off. Oh, here he comes. See him swimming around, circling. Oh, did we snag him? No. Pissy. He's full of piss and vinegar. Oh! He's not going quietly. Oh shit. Wow, that was a cluster, wasn't it? As soon as I dunked, he goes, whew. Hopefully he don't got his mouth pinned. There we go. Right up out of the depths. My man. My man. Uncle Nettie. Stop. That's another beautiful. I like it, guys. Oh, this fish has been caught. Looks like a couple times. He's got a hole in his jaw. I don't think it was from me. See ya.
There we go.
Fat back. Oh, he's hot. Huh?
You're good. He's gonna. Mad.
He's a little hot.
Good work. Yeah.
Oh, he choked it. Look at that. Think he wanted that? Yeah, he was. He's done. Sick of that. I like that. Fish right here. I think that is right here.
Yeah, really fishing. This is the Holy Trinity right here.
It is? Sorry.
Huh?
I like it. This is the fish we fished already?
I don't know if he's fished already.
He was kind of a roamer.
That's a big fish.
Come on, get up on that. Come on, Uncle Sam.
I don't know what's that fish. That's a big fish. down.
Oh, he is a big fish. I did not realize he was that big.
Yeah.
That's
5-pounder.
a good one. Oh yeah, he's super chunk.
Yeah, he was not on a bed, Josh. You cast for him.
Look at that. See where the old Uncle Ned is? Right in his freaking chop. I like that. I seen him. I cast to him. I catched him. Catched in fists. Right in the roof of the mouth. Where do you think he is?
Oh, can't tell. Let me hold him. Let me touch him. See how much he weighs.
Touch him. Touch my monkey.
480.